XO traffic, Sergio Charlie landing up on runway 10.
Peter slowly turning final flow 1.
Mexico traffic, Sergio Charlie is rolling on 10.
Next speed's alive. It's 50, 60.
Video traffic, Golf Beautiful Lake is currently getting base for runway 10. Hold up. Downwind Takeoff from Charlie. No, 10. For traffic, also Beautiful Mike is turning final for runway 10. Full stop. Typical traffic, only grid regulars, 2 miles for the north is a field and down across the way for midday down level.
Mexico traffic, Sergio Charlie is turning downwind for runway 10.
We go to every turtle. I don't know for 10.
Carb heats hot, mixtures full rich, full select result.
Without the go up there, Italy are born off 10.
Checks complete.
Put down traffic where we can make room everywhere on the field for the mid rate down on runway 10. Which at the Delta Fair is Shirley turning downwind for 10. Up and go.
Mexico traffic, Sergio Charlie turning final for runway 10. Stop and go.
Lake Simcoe traffic off Delta Uniform Mike, get clearly active on Delta.
Jack Tech, like Romeo, turning right, first, under 1-0, number 2.
Catching the passage, Fedor is very well established from the downward for 1-0. Headed back.
Lake Simcoe traffic off Delta Uniform Mike, attacking from Delta to Alpha to the apron.
Traffic like the echo, available to final, the point what it. To traffic, Sergio Charlie rolling on 1-0.
Catching the Delta go for it. If you can return final for 1-0.
Except for traffic, Sergio Charlie turning downwind for runway 10.
Traffic Romeo, Quebec Romeo is clear on Delta.
Okay, carb heat's hot, mixer's full rich, fuel selectors on both, mags are both, masters on, circuit breaker checks are good. Altitude, I'm at 2,000, right where I should be. Okay, speed check, I'm in the white arc, 10 degrees of flaps. Come on. There we go, 10 degrees of flaps. Trim, losing altitude, increase speed.
Let's do a traffic go clear from Thailand final for 1-0. Up and go.
See Charlie.
Lake Simcoe traffic, Sergio Charlie turning base for runway 10.
Lake Simcoe traffic.
Mark Side Romeo, Quebec Romeo, taxi Delta Alpha, Food Haven.
All right. I'm aiming at the tower. 20 degrees of flaps. There we go.
I need to be at 1600 before I turn my final.
There's my 16. Lake Simcoe traffic, Sierra Juliet Charlie is turning final for runway 10. Lake Simcoe traffic, Sierra Juliet Charlie is final on runway 10, full stop.
We'll have to go on there for one.
I see Charlie. Charlie's airborne.
We're about to go for Charlie, airborne of 10, all the thing in the circuit.
Alert. It's okay. Ballooned a little early and floated.